Hello my dear students, in the previous video we have discussed about numerals and natural numbers and whole numbers. Numerals or numbers. Numerals or numbers. 20 is a number and 20 is a numeral also. Both are identical. Natural number. All counting numbers are called natural numbers. The smallest natural number is 1 and there is no greatest natural number. Whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3 dot dot means all counting numbers together with 0 are called whole numbers. 0 is the smallest whole number and there is no greatest whole number. Every natural number is whole number, but every whole number is not natural number because 0 is only whole number, it is not natural number. And our next topic is expanded form of numerals. 3, 4, 7, 5. It is given numeral 4, 0, 5, 0, 9, 7, 3, 2, 4. We have to write it into expanded form. Ones, tens, hundred, thousands. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. It means 3,000, 400, 400, 7 tens plus 5 ones. Ones, tens, hundred, thousands. In 3,400, 7 tens, 5 ones. 3,000 plus 400, 7 tens, 70 plus 5 plus 5. 3,000 is the place value of 3 and 400 is the place value of 4, 70 is the place value of 7 and 5 is the place value of 5. And this whole process is addition. So we can define the expanded form. The sum of place values. The sum of place values of all digits in the given numeral is called the expanded form. Definition we can write. Every numeral is the sum of place values of all digits. Every numeral is the sum of place values of all digits. It is called expanded form. Example number B. Ones, tens, hundred, thousands. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands means 4,000 thousands, 4,000, and 5 tens, 80. Example number C. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 9 ten thousands. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s means 9 10,000s. 7,000 plus 300, 2 tens, 4 ones. 9 10,000 means 90,000. 7,000, 7,000, 300, 300, and 2 tens, 20, 4 ones, 4. 90,000 is the place value of 9, 7,000 is the place value of 7, 300 is the place value of 3, 20 is the place value of 2, and 4 is the place value of 4. 4,000 is the place value of 4, and 50 is the place value of 5. So sum of place values of all digits is called the expanded form. Every numeral is the sum of place values of all digits. Next topic is short form. Sum of place values will be given and you have to write the numeral. Example number A, 3,000 plus 400 plus 220 plus 3. For this, we have to write short form. This is in expanded form. Expanded form. And we have to write in short form. Right from here, 3 ones, 2 tens, 4 hundreds, and 3 thousands. One more example. 4,000 plus 50, 4,000 plus 50. 50 means 5 tens and 4,000s. This is 4,000s. So write 0 here, then 4. 4,000 means 4 should be on 4th place. Ones, tens, 100, thousands in thousands place. One more example. 200 plus 20 plus 2. 2 ones, then 2 tens and 2 hundreds. 222. I hope all of you have understood the short form and expanded form. So thank you.